I'm going to show you the biggest Canva updates in 2026 that you need to know about, especially if you're a designer, content creator, or someone who uses Canva regularly. These updates completely change how you design, create, and work inside the platform. So let's break them down step by step. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, let's talk about the Canva homepage. When you log into Canva, you'll immediately notice the updated interface. Right at the top, you'll see Canva's main header, and below that are 3 major sections you can navigate through. By default, you'll land on the templates page. If you scroll down, you'll see a wide variety of templates depending on what you want to create, whether that's social media posts, presentations, videos, or documents. Next, if you click on the button on the left side beside templates, you'll be taken to your projects page. This is where all your current and past designs live. You can easily browse through your recent projects or go all the way back to the very first design you ever made, making it super easy to manage everything in one place. Now, if you click on the button on the right side beside templates, you'll be taken to Canva's AI page. This is where things get really powerful. Canva AI allows you to create designs, documents, images, videos, and more just by typing a prompt. This is especially useful for presentations because instead of manually dragging elements, choosing colors, or laying out slides, you simply describe what you want, and Canva builds it for you automatically. From there, let's talk about one of Canva's biggest updates yet. If you've already watched the Canva Video 2.0 update, you know how powerful their video editor has become. But Canva took things even further this year by introducing a 100% free AI voiceover generator. This lets you create AI narration, voiceovers, and even story-style audio directly inside Canva, which is a huge upgrade for content creators. And if you think that's already impressive, here's where it gets even better. Canva also released Affinity by Canva, which is now completely free. This is a professional-grade graphic design software that lets you create high-quality logos, illustrations, patterns, and more. It's essentially Canva's answer to Adobe Illustrator, and it's a massive upgrade for anyone who wants to level up their design skills in 2026. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's just a preview of the biggest Canva updates this year. If you want a deeper breakdown of each feature and how to use them step by step, make sure to keep watching. I'll be sharing more Canva tips, AI tools, and design hacks to help you create faster and smarter. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.